Great-grandfather Giesecke was known for his love of education. He took his last class at 74, age 74. Prolific writer on papers and studies, and that was one of the things he did. And to this day, when you go by a construction site, you'll see, you know, rotting before they use cement. And he said you couldn't, you know, use pre-mixed cement. And he wrote a paper, and it was the first paper ever known about that. He wrote papers about radiant heating and cooling, which was his passion. He went out and started doing studies on mechanical drawing, and he sent off to like MIT and various places, and then he did his own series of mechanical or mathematical equations that he wanted in the book, and that was his first book. And it was still used when my cousin in California was working in the library. She found it, and there was his book, and they had like 400,000 copies had been printed at that point.
Frederick Giesecke was born in Latium in 1869. At the age of 14, he entered Texas A&M and graduated in 1886. As a student, he excelled in math and physics and was corps commander. 2 years after graduation, he became an assistant professor of drawing. By 1888, he was the head of the drawing department, and in 1904 served as the head of the architecture department. From August to October 1880, serving as a civilian, Giesecke became the first former cadet to become commandant. In 1912, he set up the School of Architecture for the University of Texas, but returned to A&M College in 1927 and resumed his role as college architect and dean of the School of Architecture. Giesecke was best known for his design work of some of Texas A&M's most iconic buildings.
From 1895 to 1912, he designed or supervised the design of Foster Hall, Leggett Hall, Milner Hall, Mitchell Hall, Civil Engineering Building, the Electrical Engineering Building, the Mess Hall, and the Academic Building, which is still in use. Then when he came back in 1927 to 1940, he was a college architect, and he supervised and designed the construction of the Library Building, Hart Hall, Walton Hall, the Chemistry Building, Petroleum Engineering Building, the Swimming Pool, a group of veterinary science buildings, the Agricultural Engineering Building, the Animal Industries Building, and then the Administration Building.
Ladies and gentlemen, inducted into the Corps of Cadets Hall of Honor, Frederick E. Giesecke, class of 1886.